Welcome back, and I hope you enjoyed getting started with coding your first large language model solutions using GPT models. However, GPT models aren't the only large language models out there. There are lots of different types of language models we may want to use depending on our use case. We'll cover more on some of the other models later, but for now, let's just look at how we can start to interact with these other LLMs. Whilst GPT models can be accessed by OpenAI's API, there is another very popular way to interact with other models developed by Hugging Face. Hugging Face, named after the popular emoji, was founded in 2016 and is an open source organization that focuses on natural language processing and deep learning. They provide various tools and libraries to make it easier for researchers and developers to work with state-of-the-art NLP models, including pre-trained models and tools for training your own models. The most well-known package from Hugging Face is the Transformers library, which is widely used for working with large language models in Python. The Transformers package provides a wide range of pre-trained NLP models, including BERT, GPT-2, Roberta, and many others. It offers a simple API for loading and using pre-trained models. You can easily load a model, tokenize text, and make predictions or generate text within just a few lines of code. You can fine-tune pre-trained models on your own data for specific tasks like sentiment analysis, named entity recognition, or text classification. Hugging Face provides tools and examples to help you with this process. Hugging Face has a vibrant community of developers and researchers contributing to their projects. They offer extensive documentation and tutorials on how to get started with different projects and models. The Transformers library also seamlessly integrates with popular deep learning frameworks like PyTorch and TensorFlow, making it accessible to a wide range of developers. The Transformers package makes working with large language models simple. In our next lessons, we'll get familiar with working with the Transformers package before moving on to our larger practicals in sections 5 and 6 of this course.